In this demo, I'm going to give you a brief overview of how to query transaction logs in RailLink's UMLR application. The UMLR application serves as the equipment registry for the railroad industry. To query transaction logs, users must have UMLR access for query permissions. To download query results as CSV files, users must also have UMLR Advanced Query Access permissions. To query transaction logs, select Query Transaction Log from the UMLR menu bar. Here are a few tips for searching transaction logs. Output to browser limits your results to 1,000 rows. Browser summary and detail options determine how many data elements appear in the results. Output to CSV has no row limit. Searches that take more than 1 minute to run will run in the background. You will receive an email when the search results are ready to view in the Reports tab or Reports button, and these will be available for up to 5 days. One or more of these fields are required. Search all dates, search specific dates where you can enter a start and ending date, one or more equipment IDs, and equipment group. To query a lengthy period of dates, it is faster and highly recommended to select Search All Dates instead of searching a date range. Enter one or more equipment IDs as specific values separated by commas or spaces, or enter a range of values separated by a hyphen or a combination of both space, comma separated values and ranges. Selecting additional criteria narrows search results. Count returns the number of results without actually displaying or downloading them. When I click on Count, it returns a count of 36. Search runs the query and displays the results based on your Output To selection. Click Search. On the Transaction Search Log Results screen, the company is always visible, and the user ID is visible if the transaction was submitted by your company. Click a Transaction ID link for details. On the Transaction Details screen, review the complete system information about the transaction, including the element ID, name, transaction element value, and previous element value if present. Click Previous and Next to navigate through transactions in chronological order. Click Done to return to the search results where you can further narrow search results. That wraps up our brief overview of how to query transaction logs in RailLink's UMLR application. Contact us for more information.